Hi, and welcome back to a new Photoshop tutorial. Today, we are showing you how to blend in two pictures perfectly. Let's get started. Go to Layers, copy the background layer, and turn off the original background layer. Now turn on the top layer and select it. Lower the opacity until you can see through the first picture. Now go back to the picture, press Ctrl+T, and resize until the mouth fits the apple. Go back to Layers, and turn the opacity back to 100%. Copy layer 1 and turn off this layer. Go and select the lasso tool. And make a selection around the mouth. Make sure your selection does not touch the lips. To be sure, leave a small space in between. Go back to Layers and create a new layer mask. Hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask to bring back the selection. Turn off this layer. Now go to Select, click on Modify and choose Contract. Add contract by 7 pixels and hit OK. Go to Layers and select the background copy layer. Now press the Delete button on your keyboard. Turn on layer 1 and hold Shift to select both layers at the same time. Go to Edit and select Auto Blend Layers. Select Stack Images and hit OK. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to deselect. Turn on layer 1 copy, drag it underneath the other layer, and select the top layer again. Create a new layer mask and select the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Start painting over the teeth to make them white again. Try not to paint too much over the lips. Press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E to create a new copy of all layers. Now for the last step, go and select the Healing Brush tool. Hold Alt and click on the apple to make a selection point. Now you can start painting against the lips to blend them in more. Make sure you make multiple selection points while painting to get the best results. And there you go, a quick and easy way to blend in two pictures perfectly. If you have any questions, let them know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.